Can you just tell us a story when you've used kind of your intuitive abilities or channeling and it has helped a child or helped a parent with a child?
Yeah. I mean, this is a large part of my client base are parents who have kids of any age, sometimes even adults, grown children, and they want to do what I needed to do with my mom. They want to know how can I serve you? What do you need? How much, tell me, guide me. I want to be here to support you in your journey. So sometimes I'll channel for parents of teenagers who, just given their developmental stage, they kind of have shut down their communication for a period of time, and their parents are really grappling with how do we know that they're okay? Are they okay? How can we
Right.
connect with them? And when you go to the soul level, which is what I do when I'm channeling, I bypass all the nonsense, all the personality stuff and all the things the layers that we put in front of things. And we go just to the soul. The soul will tell us, this is what I'm here for. This is what I need. This is where you're helpful. This is where you're not. Um, and that alone is enough for any parent to be like, oh, okay, now I can choose. I can choose how to show up in service to you. I can choose where that fits in the structure of our family or our dynamic. There's been tremendous healing. I have channeled for a client before well, actually many clients who have adult children dealing with addiction. That's incredibly painful
Mhm.
and dividing, right? It's very hard to talk about trust. It's very hard to trust each other. And for the person with addiction whose behaviors are occurring in a very challenging way to preserve that. But when you go to the soul, you cut all of that out
Mhm.
and you get just to the essence of the person, which is love and again what they need, and you get to ask their soul anything. So channeling has also been helpful to parents of young children. I had a family, the mom and dad were on the phone with me, and they had a 3-year-old that completely just stopped sleeping in their bed and was keeping them up all night climbing into their bed with them. And so they wanted to hear, what can we do? How can we help her to sleep again? How can we help her to feel comfortable in her room again? And so the soul will illuminate that. And that was incredibly helpful for them. And within a short period of time, whatever, I don't remember what I channeled because this was a long time ago, but whatever came through was so useful that everyone got sleep again.